welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Thattai. This is a very delicious Diwali snack recipe. Very easy to make. Let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan, into this add 2 tablespoons of Urad dal. Dry roast for 2 minutes at low flame. After 2 minutes you will start to get a nice aroma. At this stage remove from the pan and set it aside to cool. Now to the same pan add 1 cup of rice flour. Dry roast for 2 minutes in low flame. After 2 minutes remove from the pan and add it to a mixing bowl. Now the urad dal is cool, so add it to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder. Add the powder urad dal to the mixing bowl. Then to this add 1/8 teaspoon of Hing or asafoetida and half teaspoon of salt. Soak 2 tablespoons of Chana dal in water for 2 hours. Remove the Chana dal from water, clean wash it and add it to the mixing bowl. Then to this add few curry leaves and 2 tablespoons of hot oil. Mix it well with a spoon. Then start to add little water at a time and mix it well. Add water until you get a chapati dough consistency. Now we have it right. Pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Place it in a butter paper like this and close it with the same sheet. Press it with a lid like this and flatten it evenly. Now our thattais are ready to get fried. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is hot, add the thattais one by one. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 more minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, both sides are well cooked and crispy, so it's time to remove them. Now a delicious thattai is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick snack recipe. So do try this thattai recipe for this Diwali at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.